It's been 2 weeks of rebuilding Greenfield after its deadly EF4 tornado. While a lot of progress has been made, it's the people that are usually first to lend a hand to their community that now need help themselves. Local 5's Laura Bowen brings us how the Greenfield Fire Department has been impacted in more ways than one.
The Greenfield Fire Department's only station has been condemned. As you can see behind me, the damage is extensive. TJ Oder was at the station when the tornado hit.
It was just really loud.
The tornado ran through less than a minute after firefighters took shelter in the station's basement.
You're just standing there in the dark wondering if you're going to be able to get out. What's going to be left.
Walls blew in, windows broke, and the roof was torn up. And as for the gear, it's so badly damaged, it's of no use to anyone. Despite it all, the fire department is in full operation, just not where you'd expect them to be.
Immediately, they pulled out semis and rearranged their farm equipment, and it wasn't even a question for them. They just let us move right in.
A farm building given to the department after just one call for help. Other fire departments helped too. One let them borrow their gear, and multiple stepped up to the plate while they were out of operation. Unfortunately, the station isn't the only aftermath Greenfield firefighters are dealing with. 4 members lost their homes.
When I first rolled up to my house, there was nothing but a basement left.
Oder and Jared Masker were 2 of them.
Insurance unfortunately deemed it non-livable, so it's gone now.
Jared Masker lost his car washing business too. Loved ones and volunteer groups have been helping them pick up the pieces. Masker tells us the community's response speaks to the spirit of a small town. Greenfield's firefighters tell me that the only thing changing is their location. They'll continue to serve the community as they always have. Laura Bowen, Local 5 News.
The Greenfield Fire Foundation is raising money to rebuild the station and help the 4 members who lost their homes. You can donate by mailing a check to their P.O. Box at 146 in Greenfield, or writing a check to the foundation and dropping it off at Greenfield's First National Bank. The Greenfield Hospital also released a notice earlier this week that they'd be unable to open for another 3 months. According to the facility, the building is structurally sound, but still took quite a bit of internal damage in the storms. The hospital says they are still operating the rural health clinic at Nottoway Valley Elementary School for primary care services.